Hello everybody, my name is harleyjay, and today we're going to be talking about a video I posted yesterday. It's a video, actually did I post it today? I don't remember. I think I'm going to post it today. It's a video that's just a film I made, and then I just showed it with and without music. I actually exported it with music, and then I exported it without music, so the sound effects are still there for both clips, except for the music is just off in one. It's a little film I made really quickly. It took less than a day to make it. No, not scripted, just something really weird. So let me show you it. So I'm guessing you might have already seen this, but let's do it. Here we go. Here we go with music. It's a little low quality. I'm sorry for that. Playing it through my computer makes it's a little low quality. So, yeah, you're welcome here. There we go. That's it. And yeah, if you want, you can follow me on Instagram. I think that would be good. Please follow me on Instagram. I would really like it if you could follow me on Instagram. It would really help because I like to get the followers, because when I get the followers, I can teach you guys. And yeah. So that's that, and that explains how music can affect your film and your video. So yeah, and if you want to learn more about this cool stuff that I'm doing and all this filmmaking knowledge, just good juicy filmmaking knowledge, make sure you're subscribed. And also check the description to see the link to my online film school that I actually have. I actually have an online film school. It's completely free, no pay. And yeah, if you could sign up, that would be really amazing for me. Please. Thank you.